Hi, Patty with a 1. No, I'm just kidding. This is Walker. We just spoke on the phone. I'm making this quick video to show you how I've helped other auto glass companies with their online presence grow their business. I usually start with your website, then we'll go over the Google Business Profile and Google Ads as well. So, for starters here, I do recommend that you add more content to your website. This is because Google loves to see more content. They want to see 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage. Throughout that content, you want to be found for buyer intent keywords. For you guys, it's like, windshield replacement Denver, things like that. That has a location and a service. And the reason for that is because they're looking for that service in that location. And the other thing you could do is if you save your alternate text correctly on all your imagery, that could say windshield replacement Denver as well instead of banners right there. And that counts as content because it's embedded behind the photo for you. So I use a tool called Ahrefs to show me your analytics and where you're setting. The DR and UR is the strength and trust that Google has for your website. These are on a scale of 100 and you want those continuously moving up and balanced. You're currently at 0.3 and 6 due to your referring pages and domains, which are backlinks. And what a backlink is when one website links to another website via clickable button or text. But not all backlinks are created equal, so you do want to stay relevant to your industry for location and service. Whenever possible. And it looks like you have 0 keywords indexed and you don't have anybody come into your website, so your website's a big digital business card as opposed to an online lead generating tool. So I did just do a quick search for windshield replacement Denver, and there are lots of ways to generate business from these searches. So the first one is going to be through Google Ads, and for this there's a lot of things you can do. First off, make sure that your ad groups are grouped thematically. So windshield replacement and windshield repair do different ad groups, and then auto glass repair and auto glass replacement are as well, and even auto glass replacement and windshield replacement are separate. The other thing you want to do is get as much of this keyword into the ad as possible. Like this one says windshield replacement. It does say co, so it might be for Colorado. I don't know exactly, but that's just kind of excuse me. That's just kind of the one that I would say is a better click-through rate. Once you have a good click-through rate, then you want to worry about your landing page, which should have a click to call right up top, a form submit, what you do, where you do it, and any promotions you're running. And then the background imagery should be something about what you're working on. For, like, if it's windshield replacements, have a car with its windshield replacement being worked on. If you guys do any, like, cool RV windshield replacements, have an RV in the background instead. So that's just how you have a good conversion rate on your landing page. And then to kind of give you an idea, there's 2,900 searches each and every month for just windshield replacement only in Denver. So if you service other locations, we could be even more. All of these are repairs, but down here we have another, few thousand searches for replacement again. So when you start to get in front of those people for your ads, they're going to click to your website or their landing page, or they'll just call you directly from the ad itself, like right somewhere here. Usually there's a click to call, but maybe it's on the phone only. And then we move down into the Google Business Profile. It's okay that you're not here right now, but there's lots of ways to get here. The first thing I always recommend is to make sure your name, address, and phone number are the exact same all across the internet so you don't mislead Google. The other thing is getting reviews. I have a great way to get good 3 or 5-star reviews. I'll share that with you when we talk next. And then adding geotagged, geolocated, and branded photos weekly is beneficial because it shows Google you're growing your business organically. And then putting your name, address, and phone number into things like Yellow Pages and Yelp, the directories, are beneficial because Google's like a big popularity contest, and by giving out your information to as many people as possible, Google will start to trust you more, and that's not just in your local area, but in your surrounding areas as well. And then being in the Google Business Profile and ads takes about 70% of the traffic that comes from these searches. So the other 30% go down into your website. And to kind of give you an example, this is one of your top competitors, Precision Auto Glass. And looking at their website, they don't have too much content on here either. So when you start to have more content, those better buyer intent keywords, the authoritative backlinks and citations, you could outrank these guys. And to kind of give you an example of some keywords that I'd recommend ranking for, windshield replacement Denver has 900 searches, That right there could be generating anywhere from 10 to 30 new jobs a month, depending on closing rates. But what happens is when you outrank your competitors, a percentage of these total volumes will start to go to your website instead of theirs. A percentage of those going to your website will give you a call, and depending on your closing rate, will turn into a customer. So, Patty, I really hope that this video is beneficial for you. I look forward to talking to you more, and if setting up a discovery call to see if we'd be a good fit to work together. Have a great day.